making more noise than ever. I think it might be the belt. In there. I think it just might be the belt. I made some videos on this noise. Listen to it now. Could be that idler pulley too. Could be the bearings on it. Yeah, those bearings, woo, they seem really, really bad. I have a feeling it's the idler pulley bearings. May need a new idler pulley. So to get to that belt, first you got to loosen this one by taking a breaker bar. So you have an extension. It goes down in here into this little hole that matches up, and then you go like this, and you can slide the belt off the pulley. So you got the drive belt off, and you got the blade belt off. You can get to the drive belt now. I've been trying to get this breaker bar under here to loosen everything up. Sure enough, I didn't even have to do that. This belt is so loose. It's just coming straight off, even without me doing that. Oh man, look at the condition of this belt. Bad crack there, bad crack there. It's about to snap, really. Just having a hard time getting it off. It's kind of hooked up underneath this idler pulley. There's not much clearance there. Okay, so I was able to loosen this with a 3/4 inch wrench. It's got to get a little bit of pressure and torque on it, and it comes off. It just you have to break it free, and yeah, make sure you don't drop any parts. And then this will drop down. We can inspect everything from there. Make sure you turn it counterclockwise, so loosen. Remember that.